Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to save an image as a PNG in Photoshop so the background stays transparent. First, open your image in Photoshop. Make sure the background is transparent. You should see a gray and white checkerboard behind your image. If you still see a solid background, remove or hide that layer first. Now go to the top menu. Click File. Then click Save a Copy. In the file format list, choose PNG. Click Save. The PNG options window appears. Leave the settings as default. Click OK. Photoshop saves the image with transparency intact. Your image will blend cleanly on any background. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.